Well, it's January over here, guys, and I finally finished up all the work on my 1988 AMC Eagle. Got her all ready to drive. So this video, we're going to go a walk around in the car, show you guys what I did, show you just how nice this thing actually turned out. So stay tuned and enjoy the show. I just popped it out of the garage a few minutes ago. I figured get some nice photos of it in front of the AMC logo outside in the snow here. You know, Eagle's natural habitat and that kind of stuff. You know, before it gets covered in salt and grime and everything else over here, because I'm going to actually daily drive this car. Like I daily drive my other Eagles. So, turned out to be a really nice car though, honestly. Started out life as a 1988 AMC Eagle I bought from North Dakota a couple years back. Totally rust-free car, front to back, top to bottom. And I did a little bit of work to the car, basically getting it back on the road and running again so I can use it daily. Basically went through all the drivetrain stuff. So I went through all your brake systems, put new shocks in it, belts, hoses, oil changes, all the vacuum lines of the hood needed to be redone, all that kind of stuff. Car was sitting probably since about 97, 96, something like that. So also all new tires and that kind of stuff. And a little bit of paint touch up too, because I decided I didn't want the brown on the bottom, so I painted it blue. I figured it looks really nice with the kind of light yellow paint as opposed to the brown. So, not really dang nice actually. I figured you guys would enjoy it before it gets all dirty. And I went through putting a new gas tank in the car and new heater core and all that kind of stuff. Made it a really nice example of an 88 AMC Eagle over here. So, the chrome really shined up nice in this car after I did a little bit of polish work and that kind of thing. I also went through and actually rust-proofed this car underneath as well. So I filled all the frame rails with the oil and fogging spray and all that kind of stuff, as well as the doors and everything else too. Undercoated places need to be undercoated. So it's all sealed up to keep this car rust-free and survive the Minnesota winters up here. And as you can see underneath, looks very nice. The brand new gas tank, the new exhaust, and everything else. So it really clean car overall. It's actually nice to have one that's this clean, opposed to some other ones that have been super rusty, including that white one showing over there right now. But inside we got really nice tin interior in here anyway, or nutmeg I should say. A little bit undercoating the doors like I was talking about. This will keep them seams so you can see you're 100% original yet nice and flat. Never thought about getting fat at all, getting any rust going inside of them. Also got our perfect seats in here and everything like that. Also our back area, nice perfect carpet back there. I did put a stereo in the car because your boys gotta have tunes over here. But otherwise the interior here is 100% original, just the way I like it. Also nice and original up here in the front too. Original door panels and stuff. You know, just got the fresh speakers in there, so you got some fresh tunes, the Bluetooth radio and things like that. Blends in nice, though, being a black radio in the original, that 88 black faceplate, that kind of stuff. But real nice inside here. It's nice to not have seats that are all flat or anything like that with ripster at all, which is pretty rare in a lot of the Eagles for some goofy reason. All the front end turned out pretty good over here too. We got a nice perfectly chrome bumper and took the whole front end out of my 1984 Eagle with the chrome grille. Got all the stuff all painted up, looking all perfect over here. Under the hood here, pretty much all original. I did go through all this kind of stuff, put in the radiator in the car, all the belts, hoses, vacuum lines, all that kind of stuff. We organized everything. We built the carburetor. I did put a pollution can back on it because it was off the car when I got it. Four-wheel drive lines had to be gone through, all that kind of stuff. Also put the full cruise setup off my 1984 on this car, so the original cruise box back in the corner over there, going over the carburetor, and all the wiring in the car plugged in just like original. I will say nice and clean under the hood here for a 115,000 mile Eagle. But should be a good car for me over here. Nice, fun daily car to enjoy up here in Minnesota. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. My rust-free 1988 AMC Eagle, and we'll catch y'all later. Thank you guys for watching this channel. If you enjoyed what you saw, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button there too. We'll catch you all later.